Hi, welcome to American Detour.
It wasn't my idea. Hey, all right, hey, drag race number 2.
That's your throttle. I would be careful. It's gonna stab you if you reach in front of it. Yeah. That's your kill switch right there. Yeah, I wouldn't give it all the pedal right when you start.
No, do not.
That thing's freaking fast.
I saw that.
I almost wrecked.
Oh, wait. A little much. You might be flooding. Wow. That's way faster. All right, the problem we had before this is that we had to run the mini bike with the choke on. For some reason, it wouldn't run without it. But now, for some reason, it's running with the choke off, and it is fast, dude. It's way faster. Okay, now they're like stuck down at the end of the road.
It was running fine and it died at the end and then it stopped working.
What just happened? What is that?
No, this is the problem. It dented the freaking pulley.
Oh, grab a screwdriver and bend it back.
I am.
If we didn't look gay already, we do now.
Like, keep pushing it. Keep pushing it. Dude, the throttle's not. The throttle's freaking hard.
Ready? That was awesome!
Here, can somebody hold that up for me?
Oh, I see where we're going with this. Alright. Oh, let me move this back some. Hold on, Luke.
Dude, this is a bad idea.
It wasn't my idea.
Ready?
Yep. This house is the best thing I've ever bought in my entire life. Oh yeah, there she is. This is gonna be the best sled ever.
Gonna dump it out in here?
Yeah.
It's in really good shape. I don't want to cut through it.
Who cares?
Okay.
Got it?
That's good.
Los, you're riding, I gotta film.
I don't think it's gonna be able to pull it if you're being honest.
No, we need to be on the road.
Let's try it here first, and then we'll go there.
Let's try it on the road.
Let's do that. So trashy. That's great. Oh, crap. That was the best idea ever.
That bike needs to sit for a while. It's hot.
You said you didn't want it to.
Yeah, I do, actually. She's not a happy camper.
Alright, so I know this video is like kind of pointless, but we just thought it was absolutely hilarious to drive mini bikes and do really stupid things with them, like drive them through the crack house and pull around a truck bed liner with people in it. It kind of inspired me to buy my own, so I just went and picked up a mini bike of my own from Lane Davis. You saw him a while back in an episode. We're gonna fix it up on an upcoming episode because this thing is gonna be so much fun. We're starting a mini bike gang called the Mini Mafia, and if any of you guys want to join it, feel free. Sometime we want to have a get together of either A, people come over and help us work on our project vehicles, or B, bring your mini bikes and we just go terrorize the town on mini bikes. That would be hilarious. I will show you the mini bike here in 1 second once I pull up to the house. This thing is freaking sick. Like, if anything, this is the most roadworthy mini bike out of all of them. I cannot wait to start driving this thing around and getting it fixed up and running. This thing's gonna be so much fun. Yeah, we got a mini bike freaking car show in here right now, but that's all right. Nothing wrong with a few extra mini bikes in the garage. So this is kind of an unconventional YouTube video for us. We were sitting around and, you know, you get to a point on, you know, when you're making YouTube videos of, I need to make something that's not, you're not trying to make it big, but you want something that's gonna draw attention and something that's, you know, your YouTube channel boiled down to the purity of it. And the purity of our channel is best friends having fun on anything, you know, with a motor or something. And this was it. We, you know, mini bikes, we love them. They're fun. They're little, fun little things, and we're gonna make a whole freaking mafia out of them. In fact, we are going to have a mini bike meet, you know, within the near future. We're gonna make a mini bike track and invite anybody who watches this show who wants to participate, ride a mini bike, or heck, if you just want to sit and watch, you know, and experience the fun. If you guys want that to happen, comment below. Let me know, because I don't know if you want to do it unless you let me know. We would love to do that. That'd be so much fun to get to know you guys and whatnot. That being said, and that kind of out of the way, let's do the hat giveaway. So the deal is I have 7 American Detour hats over here next to me, and I have 16 names sitting in a hat, and they're all folded up nice and neat. I can't see anything. I can't see any names. Can't see anything at all. So the deal is I'm gonna mix them up, grab a paper, call them out. 7 names, 7 hats. Each and every one of them are signed by all of us, and 1 or 2 of them honestly may possibly have been worn by us because There, I have so many hats laying around the house that I don't remember what one I picked up. Okay. Oh, crap. All right, first winner. God, I can't pronounce the name. Reese Goetz. R-E-C-E-G-O-E-T-Z. Reese Goetz. I'm sorry if I mispronounced your name. First winner. Next winner. Brandon Machammer. I'm getting all the ones I can't read. Brandon Machamer. Congratulations. Okay, that's 2. Jake Deshazer. Deshasier. I'm sorry, I keep messing your names all up. Congratulations, sir. Another hat I'm giving away. This guy's YouTube name is Boy. Boy, congratulations. Oh, I've talked to this guy before. Jake D. I've talked to you before, dude. Christopher Cozart, I think is how it's pronounced. Cozart. I apologize if I messed your name. I don't even know how many I've done. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, we got one more. Last person. Mixes up really nice and good. Last one was in my hand. Lucas Town. I think I've talked to him before too. Congratulations, dude, on your new hat. So guys, if you want a hat, email us. Email me, hunter.maggart@gmail.com, or DM me on Instagram, me or an American Detour Instagram page, one of the two, or on Facebook. It doesn't really matter. Hit me up with your address and everything, and I will be sending you a hat here within the week. And hopefully it'll be to you in a reasonable amount of time, being that it is COVID and everything. 7 winners right there. Y'all know who you are. Thank you for watching.